That's a good boy. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Big enough to be moved to a larger kennel so they can play. They're just been moved into their kennel and they're just getting used to it.
This guy
Hi, guys. What? What you do? Oh. They're so used to being in their box with their pad, they're not sure what these cedar shavings are. But
oh gosh, they're pooping.
They'll get used to it. Come on, guys. Good. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on.
Could you give me another?
The camera.
There's pooping.
Hey, guys. You're supposed to be doing your business over here, huh? Dad's gonna clean up. Oh, somebody familiar. Somebody familiar. See, we have our own watering bowl. Hello. They're just not too sure about getting off that pad, Dad.
Oh yeah, but they'll figure it out.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I think you're being told off. Oh, okay. Hey, it won't hurt you. You're going to be playing in it and have it all over pretty soon. Yeah. Oh. One more. He's down here.
I know, I can't get
What are you guys doing? What do you think? Careful, Dad. They're under your leg. Okay. There's your ball. We'll get you some more toys today. They say, where are we? We're not used to this. You're stuck, Dad. What? Saying, now what? What do we do now, huh? What do we do now?
Now that they know it's something they can play on.
Yeah, well, they'll...
It'll be all over the place here.
Okay, little black boy has a splint on and he had a little accident, but he's going to be fine, so he'll have that off in about another week or so. Yeah.
Chewing on it. Hey.
They're going to find everything they can to chew on. They're trying to eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Fiber. You don't need any fiber, buddy.
He thinks he does.
I think he's
Chopping down on it.
Hey! You're a noisy bunch. You can holler out here, huh? Yeah. What you doing? Huh? Hi, pretty boy. Well, hi, pretty boy. What you doing? I know. You'll get used to it. You needed more room. Hey, little guy. Doing okay? Yeah, we're starting to wander around, getting to explore how much room we have, huh? Yeah. Well, some of us are getting comfortable. Isn't that nice cedar bedding for you, huh? It's gonna smell so good. Okay. Oh, we're getting a drink. Hey guys, gotta go to, oh, okay Dad, look, we've already got,
I'm not worried about it.
doesn't take them long. Yeah. Okay, gotta go to work now, we'll see you later.